A very good morning, my dear children. In today's maths class, we are going to continue with the division. So today we are going to see how to do division on a number line. We are going to do division on a number line. Shall we see the sums now? Look at the example and divide by repeated subtraction on a number line. We are going to do repeated subtraction. I think you all know multiplication is the repeated addition and division is the repeated subtraction. When you subtract till 0, so repeated subtraction is called division. So now we are going to do repeated subtraction on a number line. I think you all know what is number line, right? So first one, distribute 21 pencil. One is already done for you. We'll see that sum. Distribute 21 pencils to a group of 7 friends. So how many pencils we are having now? 21 pencils. We are going to distribute equally to how many friends are there? 7 friends are there. 7 friends are there. So we have to distribute equally to all the 7. How many pencils you will distribute to each one of them? That we'll see now. So draw the number line. So 21 friends, 21 pencils, right? So draw a number line from 0 to 21. 0, 1, 2 till 21. And now we are going to distribute among 7 friends, isn't it? So 7, 7. So shall we go back 7 steps? Yes. So first draw a number line from 0 to 21. First draw a number line from 0 to 21. Then we are going, it's a repeated subtraction, right? So shall we go backward now? Yes. So go back. How many friends are there? 7 friends, isn't it? So shall we go back 7 steps now? So start from number 21. Shall we go back 7 steps back? Addition is counting forward. Subtraction is counting backward. Shall we count backward now? Yes. Start from 21. Count backward 7. So shall we start from here? 21. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which number? 14. When you go back 7 steps, so 14. So now first step is go back 7 steps. So from when you go back 7 steps, so from 17 will directly go to 14. Again go back 7 steps. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So again 7 step. Go back 7 step. Again shall we go? So till 0 you have to do that. Shall we go on again? Go back again 7 steps. Yes. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Now tell me, start from 21. From where we have started? We have started from the number 21 and go back. How many steps we went back? 7 steps, right? So you have to write 7. And now how many times? How many times you just see how many times? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many times? 3 times, right? So to reach 0, how many times it crossed? 3 times, right? So start from number 21. What you have to write? So we have started from number 21. How many? Go back. How many steps we went? How many steps back? 7 steps we went back, right? How many times? Count. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So 3 times. Now 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. So altogether we are having 21 pencil. How many friends? 7 friends. So how many pencil you will give to each one of them? 3, 3. So each one will get 3, 3 pencils. So 3, 3, 3, 3. 21 will get 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 plus 3. So each one will get 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. So how many friends? 7 friends, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each one will get 3, 3 pencils, right? So each one will get 3 pencils. So 21, when you divide 21 divided by 7, answer is 3. So you know how to do repeated subtraction on a number line, isn't it? So first we have to start from that number 21. Here in this example 21. So you have to go back. We are having 7 friends. So go back 7 steps. So if we go back 7 steps, so how many times you will go back to reach number 0? How many times we just went back? 3 times, right? So 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Next. Shall we do the second B sum now? Yes. Distribute 18 bananas equally among 6 family members. Distribute 18 bananas equally among 6 family members. How many bananas are there? 18 bananas. So distribute 18 bananas equally among 6 family members. So how many? So totally how many bananas are there? So totally we have 18 bananas. How many bananas? So we are having like this 18 bananas we are having. How many bananas? So 18 bananas we are having. How many family members are there? 6 family members. How many members are there? So 6 family members are there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we have to distribute these 18 bananas equally to all the 6 family members. How will you do this? Shall we do on a number line now? Yes. So how many bananas are there? 18. So draw a number line. It is already there. So number line. So how many? 18 bananas. So 0 to 18. Draw a number line. 0 to 18. It is already there. So no need to draw. So number line is from 0 to 18 as there were 18 bananas. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 till 18. Now start from which number we have to start? From left, right? So we have to start from number 18, isn't it? We have to start from number 18. Now go back. How many steps will go back? How many family members are there? Just see. 6 family members, isn't it? We have 6 family members. Shall we go 6 steps back? Yes. So now start from here. 18. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we go 6 steps back, we reach number 12. So till 0 we have to go back. Again start from 12. Go back again. How many steps we have to go back? 6. We have to go back again 6 steps back. Shall we start from 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. So again from 6 to till we reach 0, we have to go back. Again start from number 6, go back again. How many steps backward? 6 steps, as we have only 6 family members. Shall we start from 6 now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. We have reached number 0. So start from number 18. From which number we have to start? 18. We have to start from number 18. How many steps you have to go back? Go back 6 steps. So go back 6 steps. So how many times? Just see how many times we went back. See here. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. So how many times? So 3 times. So 3 steps to reach 0. So to reach number 0, from 18 to 0, how many steps we went back? So 3 steps. From 18 to 12, 1 step. Then 12 to 6. Then 6 to 0. Isn't it? So now shall we write this? So start from number 18. Go back 6 steps. How many times? 3 times, right? So 16 to 12. Sorry, 18 to 12. Then again from 6. Then from 0, 6. So write this 18. When you divide 18 divided by 6, answer is 3. So each one will get how many bananas? 3 bananas. How many family members are there? So 6 family members are there, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 family members are there. Each one will get how many bananas? Each one will get 3 bananas. 1, 2, 3. So how many bananas each one will get? 3 bananas. Each one will get 3 bananas. So you know how to do repeated subtraction on a number line, right? Shall we do one more sum on this model? Yes. Distribute 12 balls among 3 players. Distribute 12 balls among 3 players. How many balls are there? 12 balls. So first you just see first total balls. First you have to see 12 balls. So draw a number line from 0 to 12. First we have to number line is already there. It's from 0 to 12 as there are 12 balls, isn't it? So 0 to 12. How many balls are there initially? 12 balls. So we are going to distribute that equally among 3 players. How many players are there now? 1 player, 2 player, 3 player. So how many balls are there? 12 balls are there. So we are going to distribute that equally. Now we are going to do this on a number line. Shall we start now? Now we have to start from where we have to start? Start from the 12. Number 12. Where we have to start? Number 12. So start from number 12. How many steps we have to go back? How many players are there? See how many players? 3 players, isn't it? So we'll go back 3 steps back. Shall we? We'll start from 12. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1 step. So go back 3 steps. Again from this 3 steps back. 8, 7, 6. Again. Yes. Then again go back 3 steps backward. 5, 4, 3. Again 3 steps. Till we reach the number 0, we have to go back again 3 steps backward. So it will reach 0. So start from number 12. Start from number 12. Go back. How many steps will go back? Yes, 3 steps, isn't it? We went 3 steps back. How many times? Just count how many times. 1. So first we started with 12. Then 3 steps backward, 9. And from 9 again 3 steps backward, 8, 7, 6. Then from 6, 5, 4, 3. Then 2, 1, 0. So how many steps how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 times to reach 0. Start from number 12. Go back 3 steps. 4 times to reach how many times? 4 times. So as there were 12 balls. So the number will be from 0 to 12. How many players? Through 3 players, isn't it? So we have to go back 3 steps backward. So how many times we went? 4 times. So when we thus 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. So when we divide 12 divided by 3, answer is 4. So each player will get how many balls? 4 balls. Each player will get, see, player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. Each one will get 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Each one will get how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4 balls. Each one will get 4 balls. So you know how to do repeated subtraction on a number line, isn't it, children? Clear? So next we'll see. So only one sum we'll do now. Divide by repeated subtraction. Now we saw, right, that we'll do now. Divide by, as we know that division is a repeated subtraction, isn't it? So one sum we'll do now. Remaining sums we'll do in the next class. So divide by repeated subtraction. So now first we are going to divide 15. Just one sum is example there for you. 15 divided by 5 is equal to, see, 15 divided by 5 is equal to, that we are going to find out. That how to find out? So first we are going to subtract these two numbers. Division is the repeated subtraction, isn't it? Shall we subtract these two numbers now? We are going to subtract till we reach number 0. We are going to subtract till we reach number 0. So 15 divided by 5, that we are going to find out. How to find out this? So we are going to subtract this, we are going to find out. So 15 minus 5. Now tell me, when you subtract 15 minus 5, what will be the answer? 15 minus 5, subtract and tell me. You know subtraction, isn't it? So 15 minus 5 is 10. As you know, I am just writing 15 minus 5 is 10. And from this number 10, again subtract this 5. 10 minus 5. So 10 minus 5 is, subtract 10 from 5. Again 5. 10 minus 5 is, we are going to subtract 5 from 10. So if you subtract 5 from 10, answer will be 5. Again, answer from this 5, subtract 5 more. So 5 minus 5 is 0. You have to subtract till you reach number 0. Now tell me how many times you have subtracted. Count how many times you have subtracted. So just see how many times you have subtracted. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 3 times you have subtracted, right? So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. This is division by repeated subtraction. I will repeat it one more time. So 15 divided by 5. How will you find out the answer by repeated subtraction method? So 15 divided by 5, that we are going to find out the answer. So first subtract these two. 15 minus 5. We are going to subtract till we reach number 0. So 15 minus 5 is 10. Again from this 10 subtract 5 more. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again from this 5 subtract 5 more. 5 minus 5 is 0. So we have reached number 0. Now tell me how many times we have subtracted 5? 3 times, isn't it? 1, 2, 3. So 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. The answer 15 divided by 5 is equal to 3. So just see here, 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Now how many times they have subtracted? So 3 times. When you divide 15 divided by 5, answer is 3. So this is division by repeated subtraction. Remaining sums, just practice the sums on a number line. Remaining sums we'll do in the next class. Thank you, children.